What's good, everyone? Welcome back to you're in me Nan's garden today, and I don't know what day is it? I don't even know what the date is. It's the 5th of September. I'm kind of getting into free running at the moment, so I'm just like, that's the reason why I'm in the garden, is I'm going to practice some stuff and see if I can pick up free running, because I find it really interesting. I did a session with one of my friends, like old friends from, I've known him since I was like Ed? That's his name. I've known him since I was 8, and he was just teaching me a few bits yesterday, and it kind of got me excited to try it. I've wanted to try it for years, so I'm just gonna muck about. I'm just warming up right now because yesterday I tried some bits and oh mate, honestly, literally everything hurts because I'm just not used to like the harsh landings that they take. So it's gonna take a while, and I'm gonna need a lot of conditioning. So what I've got to focus on now, if I want to do this and like landing on concrete and stuff, so I've got to beef the quads and the calves up so that the muscle takes the beating, not the bone. But we'll see how far I get. We'll see if I lose interest, but hopefully I won't, because I like getting out, and it means I could probably kill 2 birds with 1 stone. If I go free running, I can probably take my camera and do some street photography as well. So, you know, who knows? But yeah, I'm just gonna try some flat stuff and see if I can do like a cork or something today. I've got a few twisting problems, so this should be interesting. We're also filming in 4K, which is cool. I never film in 4K because it's just a ball ache to put together and edit, because honestly it's, you know, it's the big files. Okay, good. I'm not going super hard on like leg stuff today because, like I said, I did a grenade event the other day as well, and like I'm just destroyed. There's just no word. Just utterly destroyed. So it's more like a get my legs ready and warm, like an activation, so that they don't just completely like disintegrate. Yeah. Oh. Okay. I started out doing big jumps, and then I realised I pulled my abs yesterday. And apparently that hurts. That hurts on a what would you even call it? A broad jump. That's it. Yeah, that hurts on a broad jump. This is good. This is really good. I don't know. Can't remember what this is called. I don't know the names of any like free running move right now. So if anyone wants to educate me, help. But like I'm at the point where even this hurts, so maybe I might just have to do this like another day. Tomorrow, I think I want to get one, just one of them. Whereas like you do like cartwheel side step into a, I think it's like a backward side flip, something like that. I'm gonna try one, see if I can do it, see if my abs don't tear. I definitely prefer going this way, downhill. I wasn't quite all that felt like though. I've got one more in the tank. See, it's not bad, but it needs to be like off axis. So rather than like doing a side something where it's like this, it needs to be around the side. That's the hard part. That's not bad, is it actually? That wasn't, it still needs to be off axis. I got one more. I got one more in the tank. Mum's doing coke. Miss Pablo Escobar. How many grams? Jesus, Mum. You're wasting so much. Where's the £20 note? It's not coke. It's not coke.
It's icing sugar.
It's icing sugar. That's just what we're going to tell everyone anyway. Alright, I've literally got one more left in the tank. It wasn't that bad. I'm not a fan of how it looks. It doesn't look good. I think my knees need to be together, and just overall just not satisfied with how that looks. One more. I know it's not going to be perfect, but you know, I am a perfectionist, unfortunately, so probably going to tear my abs again. One more.
Burn! Nada! Nada!
Jesus, dog! Did I nearly land on it? Oh my god.
She nearly took you out.
That was better.
Incoming! And again.
Ah! My god.
Calm down.
What's wrong with you? that'll do for that. The thing, do you know what? The thing I find the most satisfying about watching free running, well, I'm having wow, I think I'm having a stroke. Let's try that again. The thing I find most interesting about free running is when I watch Ed come up with like line ideas. I think they're called lines. Bear with, like this can take a while for me to learn all this, but I will learn it. And seeing how he can be creative with just like your everyday street object. So I'm intrigued like when I get that creative kick, hopefully, maybe, we'll see. I don't even know if there are any in Essex. Like I'm gonna have to get a bike just to explore. But that was session 2 of the free running learning chronicles. Stay tuned. I don't know when I'm gonna pick the camera up next, but I'll see you then. Okay, so today is Tuesday the 22nd of September. Don't mind me. Last time I vlogged was flipping ages ago. I think I was still in Devon. I said I'd pick the camera up when I get here. I just didn't get around to it. I had so much work. Let me just grab a top. As of today, there was a new announcement from Boris about our new quarantine rules, and I haven't actually listened to it yet, but I think the majority of it is basically the pubs and bars and restaurants are all closing at 10, and something is happening with sporting venues, and I kind of need to find out about that because I've been going to the gym recently. I've been into the gym today. I did a lot of conditioning. I am really enjoying doing conditioning and kind of getting my body back into shape of some sort. I did a bit more free running. I didn't really film that, and we played like literally the most epic games of hand tennis that I think I've ever. Like I've got carpet burns all over my knees. Like these games are sick. I'll put a little bit over the screen right now. Up banana, up banana, up banana. Whoa! Get it! I've been going into the gym 4 days a week actually, for the last couple of weeks. Every time I go to Devon, obviously I take the time off, but yeah, I just don't really do much like that in Devon. I'm there to see my family. But so far, training is fun, it's good, it's enjoyable, and that's the main thing right now. I'm enjoying it, I'm getting fit, I'm trying to get strong again, just for myself. So they're just kind of like some little updates. The reason I picked up the camera is because I actually got inspired by, one, I've noticed that Casey Neistat's actually started vlogging again, and it's been like a daily occurrence so far, so I'm actually kind of excited about that. And two, because I got inspired by myself by watching my travel vlogs from Asia and everything, and I was like, dude, like those travels were actually incredible. Like the experiences that I had there were just something else. I'm gonna go out and do a bit of training at some point in the next couple of days once I've got all my work done and all my extra projects, so like clothing and stuff. The ball is very slow on this one, unfortunately. One of the colours is out of stock that I think is my favourite colour. So yeah. Anyway, onto the next day, seeing whatever it'll be. I'll check in with you then. Alright, so it is the 24th of September and we have got ourselves a lovely little package. A camera one. I'm very excited to unbox this. We're going to get straight into this because I know exactly what this is. I had this delivered to me this morning, and I hope you can see my address there. You guys know, I haven't been on here for a while, but basically I am into this type of stuff, camera stuff. So this is something for a very, very long time, and I have now finally got. It is, as you can quite clearly see here, a Sony 85mm. I've wanted an 85 for ages. I've got this, which is a 16-70. I've got a 50-1.8. I've got a 70-200, but I don't have an 85. And now I'm starting to do more portraits and more videos that kind of require this. So I put it off and put it off and put it off, but I finally got myself one and I'm very excited. We got manual. Never need them. Oh, she's a peach, isn't she? Oh, lens hood's there. Beauty. Oh, look at that. Isn't that lovely? Because we're nearing the end of this video, because it's probably about 12 minutes long at this point after we've just done this, what I'm gonna do is, so that you guys can see what this lens performs at. I mean, it's not, like, it's a fairly expensive lens, but it's not like crazy money, but it's really, really good value for what you get. I'm just gonna chuck some images now of probably Nala, because we all like images of dogs, don't we? So this will be all shot on the this will all be shot on the 85 video and stills probably. Oh, and my presets will be on all the pictures. Don't know whether to sell presets right now. Bear with, guys. I'm actually having to shoot 200 frames a second. All right, 200 frames a second because this lens is so wide. Even going to be far away enough. So that has been a very short and comprehensive review of the 85mm so far. Images on it look pretty sick, so if you want an 85mm, get a 1.8 because it's not crazy money. But that's going to be it from me, guys. I hope you have enjoyed this video. They're all random, they're all enjoyable, but I forgot to include the bit about free running. I'm going to put the free running bits in now that me and Doug were doing the other day. Anyway, if you have enjoyed this video, this is the last you're going to hear from me until the next video. So like, comment, consider subscribing. You guys know what to do. Make every day count and enjoy life. Who knows if I'm in focus, but let's hope so. Thank you. Yeah, no, I got bored, so I was like, let's make something. Wait, let me prep this first.
Jay, how far away do you have to hold it? If I hold it here, yeah, am I in, Jay? Thumbnail. Just Max will look in his natural habitat. Jay's about to hit this. I think I'm in shot right now.
I'm doing one more. Told you I'd send it, mate.
Full send.
I think ready outside now.
ready. Yeah, that's it, mate. Just yeah, go on and help us lift the boat outside. That was sick. Is it hard or is it easy?
Huh?
Is it hard or easy?
It's quite easy. It's weird though because you go a bit sideways.
Toggle Istanbul, parkour.
Alright, so shall I send it?
Full send.
No, I'm good. I'm good. Okay, you know, if you hurt yourself, it doesn't matter.
Yeah, no, it doesn't matter, does it?
Anticipation building.
Full send. There you go.
One leg.
What time?
There's complete chaos.